Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how we can develop problem solving in children. Problem solving is something that children tend to avoid, especially children who have challenges related to attention, they have challenges related to planning of movements, and because of that they avoid such activities. So today we are going to take them one step at a time. This is the example picture that we have of a house, the front of a house with one window. Now, when we give them the first set of challenges, we ask them, there is one piece missing from each of them. Let's try to figure out what it is. So instead of giving them the activity, you can show them how it is supposed to be done. It is always good to use two colors so it confuses the child less. So we have a triangle on top, then a square at the bottom, and a small square inside. Let the child repeat it. Triangle on top, square at the bottom, and one square inside. Let us look at the first picture. There is a triangle on top, a square at the bottom, and inside a square? No, it looks like a C. Let's complete the square. Very good. Now let's move to the next one. There is a triangle on top. No, the triangle does not have the third line. Let's complete it. Very good. Let's come to the next one. There is a triangle on top, a square at the bottom, and there is a square inside. No, there are just two lines. Let's complete the square. Very good. In the fourth one, a triangle on top and a square at bottom. There is a line missing. Let's complete it. Next, a triangle on top. Oh, it does not look like a triangle. Let's complete it. And that is how the first step of challenges, where usually only one part is missing, can be completed. Now the problem solving becomes more complicated because multiple parts of a picture are missing, where the lower picture does not sometimes even look like the picture on the top. Let's take the easy one first. There is a triangle on top and a square at the bottom. Oh, let us complete the square. And the square inside. Let's complete this square too. This was easy. Let's try the next one. A triangle on top, a square at the bottom, and inside is an L. Now here you can ask the question, how can you turn an L into a square? It has one standing line, one sleeping line. Let's make one more standing line and one more sleeping line. This also helps the child to learn tracking skills. Moving to the next one. A triangle on top. How can we make this into a triangle? Add a slanting line. Then a square below. How do we make this into a square? Let's add a standing line and a sleeping line, and there is a square in the middle. Moving to the next one, a triangle on top. The sleeping line is missing. Then square at the bottom and a square inside. It looks like a U. Let's complete the square. And the final one, there is a triangle on top. It does not look like a triangle. It has only one slanting line. Okay, this is difficult to complete, so let's get to the square first. Yes, it is easy to complete the square. Now we can complete the triangle and the triangle inside. The final challenge requires all of the problem solving skills of the child because they need to figure out that the picture is completely dissimilar to the one on the top. How are they going to make it similar? Can we see a triangle on top? Yes, we can. Can we squeeze a square at the bottom? No, we can't. Let's make this square. How many lines are missing? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now there is a square in the center. It looks like a U. Let's complete it to make a square. The next one is even more challenging. Can you see a triangle on top? No, I can only see a slanting line. Can you see a square at the bottom? No, I can only see an L. Can you see a square in the middle? No, it looks like a reverse C. Let's complete this first. Now what is missing in the L? A standing line and a sleeping line. Now what is missing in the triangle? Only one slanting line. I hope this video of how to develop problem solving in children was informative to you. Please try to apply this by giving such kind of activities to your child and see a difference in how they rise up to the challenge. If you need more videos related to child development, please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell icon for notifications when my videos are out, and do add any queries or suggestions in the comments below. We'll meet again soon. Bye.